Our intention, as I say, enlarging the bridge, enlarging the steel part on top of her, and reducing the aft deck, and creating a new nice beach deck with a pool or jacuzzi, and also modifying the mast. You can see shafts are installed, as I said, and I shared with you the status report. The propellers were installed, but we dismantled them to avoid any bending on the shaft or any damage on the choke fasts or the ceilings. Emergency sea chest, all anode locations weldings completed. Yeah, this is the skeg installation completed. Let me repeat. BV accepted the hull, all steel construction. We just wanted to double check the weldings on a bracket. So while we are waiting, we just put another X-ray on those. Since our client didn't want any stabilizers or didn't fit their budget, we put a build keel, which was calculated by the professors of Istanbul Technical University and Race. I can share you the seakeeping and resistance report for that, and we installed that regarding to their instructions. And this is the main sea chest. You can see the welding at the surface quality. And here is the bolt crusher. On any yacht version, we will install additional layer of stainless steel anchor pockets. These are nice, comfortable, but to look sharp, we will need to add. Okay, we are at the platform. Aft deck, as I say, our intention on pleasure yacht version to lowering the main deck up to here. Sorry, this one, and creating a platform. And this is diving area. Right now there is 3 compressors installed. They are professional Coltree scuba diving compressors. 1 nitrox, 2 oxygen or air compressors. On both sides, on the port side, we have a freshwater tank for trimming, and on the starboard side, also behind this chiller unit, we have also the same tank. And here, 360,000 BTU chilled water systems heart. Okay. Inside, these are Data's rudder control boxes. Below the aft platform, there's 2 electro-hydraulic units for rudders. Actually, we installed the rudders, but because of this long delay, we didn't want them to get damaged, and we dismantled them. The foundations and all pistons installed. Also, this construction, this is suitable for Opatnara or similar transformer. If you would like to install something like that, there's enough space and construction is valid for that. So this is also installable or optional. And here you can see the holes. They are not mistake, they are for underwater lights cable passages. One more detail. This is emergency sea chest for fire pump. Also, for lowering this construction, our intention is moving chilled water unit on the forward bulkhead. This is engine room off bulkhead also. And dismantling these coltries. They are not included on the specification because our intention is removing them and replacing or using the space with this chilled water system. Yes, we are in the engine room. There's two engines installed. Shafts are installed. Coupling installed. After launching, we will make the final alignment and connect them. Main manifolds are installed. All the pipes you see as steel, they will go to galvanization. When we stopped, they were on the final assembly position. This is Doosan main engines. We opened the cover for the other broker. Their guarantee period is still valid and they are continuing. We are in contact with Doosan Turkey. They give us guarantee that they will start the guarantee period with the commissioning. This huge unit is Aquamarine's sewage treatment plant. This is suitable for 36 people's black and grey water. This is again a passenger yacht quality equipment. As you can see, this is the main generator, one of them. They are 93 kilowatts each, and we will definitely install a sound shield around them as a yacht version. Main exhaust line completed. You can see all outgoing valves installed, exhaust line installed, tank connections completed. The only missing items in the engine room is pumps and main electric switchboard, which will need definitely a modification on a yacht version. And this unit is central vacuum pump with double pumps. This is the all toilet black lines are connected to this gentleman, and he will send all the sewage to treatment unit. Okay, this is main deck. The capstans and bollards are already installed. This area was supposed to host 24 divers with seats, so this is very close, covered. So as I say, on the upper deck, our intention is shorten this upper deck from this frame here. On your modification, our intention is lowering this deck area like 3 steps low and create a new and nice off deck. Okay, going forward, again, this part will be a semi-closed open saloon with retractable glass frames. There will be a patio door, and we are going inside the main deck. Since she is a full beam vessel, we have a very large main deck. Again, you can see all cables are installed, piping installed. See cable way. We are going to forward area. This part on crew yacht, on passenger yacht version, we have 4 cabins here. Our intention is lowering that to 2, and a large owner study here. As you can see, the distribution board. This is data hydraulics control box. Again here, data hydraulic control box, and this is for bolt thruster. Okay, from back to main side, we can go to crew area. From here, we will be able to separate all crew quarters with guest quarters. We are entering the pantry. There's the main distribution board for main deck. This area will be dirty kitchen. This is the main kitchen. On this bulkhead, we will be putting the hot kitchen, preparation area, a cold room on this wedge, and two 700-liter freezers. Yeah. All this area is fireproof, A-grade firewall, fire door, so you can put nearly a professional kitchen equipment. Again, from this door, we will be able to pass the crew area. This is crew mess. There will be a couch for them, a dining table, and a bunk. From these stairs, we can go up to bridge area and captain's quarter. And with this staircase, we are going to crew quarters. And this is crew area. We were just starting to install crew walls. They were like ship panels, and all floor and sub-construction completed. This is bolt thruster. She has 55 kilowatts electric bolt thruster divided with a steel box and also isolated wall panels. Again, we are back to main salon. From here we can go to lower deck, guest area. We have ready stabilizer box. We put that construction on the now to be sure if one day the client would like to install some stabilizers, they do not need to make any structural modification. So this is lower deck guest area. On passenger pleasure yacht, we will be able to put 4 large cabins with like VIP standard cabins here with bathtubs and nice comfortable decoration. All tanks and tank test is completed. As I said, the piping nearly completed. Again, main cabling you can see completed. Also in here you can see remote control valves, manual valves installed, and you can see the bilge. We are keeping them dry, and we are here all the time to taking care of the ship. Okay, these are the Funkel fresh air makeup units. They delivered them recently. This is upper deck lounge area. This area is upper deck lounge area. On the current GA I shared with you, there is a diversion bulkhead to separate the dining hall and lounge, but these can be all changed. As you can see, all weldings are completed, BV approved, All cabling, main cabling already completed. This cableway goes to bridge and the mast. Windows installed. We have a partition here. In all wet areas, we have those steel partitions to avoid leakage. Okay, this is a staircase for connecting to main deck, and we are going to bridge from here. This part is captain's quarter with a bathroom, and on the starboard side we have a day head. Okay, we are in the bridge now. This area is a bit tight, you know. On the modification and renders I sent you, we enlarged this space like 1.5 frame, which is at about 1 meter. These forward windows will go to forward and also make a exterior look change on this steel part. These are the entrances of the bridge, and these are furnitures for lower deck guest areas. All beds construction was completed, but on a yacht version we cannot use them. Most likely we will be able to use them for crew interior. Yes, we are on the foredeck. You can see the bridge. This area is suitable for 3 tenders with gasoline fuel. The thicknesses of the deck and the insulation from the below deck is suitable for that. We have Data anchor windlasses. As I say, we discussed with Data. They are going to change the bells with stainless steel. These air ventilations, they can be lowered when we go to private. This is a passenger yacht detail. Also, the bollards will be updated to stainless steel one. Our intention, if we go with a yacht version, to change all the railings also to stainless steel. We have 2 pathways to off deck. This is bridge entrance. This is a technical space for fresh air makeup units. Hi, this is sun deck. There are 2 stairways coming up. You can see the mast installed. On the renders we updated this mast to a new one, a more fancy one. This structure is GRP, and the connections made right here. This part is steel. There's this bar foundation. It is again GRP, gel coat painted. Color can be changed. The seating fixations already installed and welded. From here we can see foredeck. This crane is industrial one, 10 tons on 1 meter, or reaching to 10 meters for a 1-ton crane tender. In our scope, this will be changed for a yacht crane. Also, bollards and the bells of the anchor winch will be changed to stainless steel.